ride today. Some friends of ours put it on every year, and got Alexander with me in a tow truck, and Landon and Rachel over there in the RZR. I failed to get the camera out and get the hundreds of machines that just left before us, but we'll catch up with them at the first stop and show you maybe something interesting will happen today. So the last few of them leaving there. Right, we're going on the first trail down the creek here. It's pretty cool. Alexander got the second camera going over here. Hoping maybe somebody gets stuck down in here, but it looks pretty rocky, so. Be a deep hole over there if they put up a yellow caution tape. Did you forget that we had empathy, clarity? Now every truth is drowned beneath the sea of vanity. You feel proud up in your tower built on fear and doubt. The sky is falling, they just smile, never call it out. Whoa. Why we came out of the creek just to drive back into the creek. It's kind of interesting. Might get in low range now. There it goes. It's a little temperamental getting into low range sometimes. Go get the camera home. Here, you get some. It's on. Okay. Back here. We're just past the second stop on the ride, but we're going back. We got a call. Got to recover somebody, so we'll show you that excitement here in a minute. Somebody call a wrecker?
Got to use the tow truck.
Might get a gander at it.
I'll turn around here.
area spot. Slide the front end over a little and you're good to go. See if anybody else gets snookered today. Well, this is pretty cool, huh, buddy?
Yeah.
A little water crossing. Some people hanging out up in there. Stop. We're booking it back to the truck. It's supposed to storm pretty bad this afternoon, so well, it's a really neat road again. A low water crossing, but it's dried up. Sorry about the squeaky brakes. It'd be fun to ride down the creek with it. It's like a tunnel of trees. Look, it probably flood pretty bad down here. We got a bunch of rain. Nice. An old bridge. Made it home. Tow truck did awesome again today. Nothing super eventful. Got to pull the one RZR out of the ditch. We wanted to get home. It's a storm. The storm's building up under tornado watch, so it's almost here. Yeah, it's pretty crazy looking. Pretty big old gust of wind here in a minute. 60-mile-an-hour wind about the time we walk out here, probably. No tornado warnings, but severe thunderstorm warning for 60-mile-an-hour wind, some hail. About the time that gets here, it's gonna get real windy. It's bunny. Bunny's like.
Oh, the bunny. I thought you meant the sky.
The
Sky
bunny
being bright over here.
it's rolling in. Oh, look at it! You can see it. See it moving quite quickly. I shouldn't be out here in the lightning. That's cool looking. We're gonna get some rain and wind. Alright, well, I'm gonna go back inside. Alright, storm's passed. Oh, look at this. Double rainbow. That's pretty cool. Whoa, and some lightning still. Let's go check it out. Oh, that's a good one. Look at that. That's an impressive double rainbow right there, guys.
It looks so cool.
Here, go stand under the rainbow. Yeah. You think there's a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow?
I don't know. Maybe. We go find it and get rich.
That's cool. There we go.
Wow.
Man, this is about the coolest looking cloud right here.
It's cotton candy.
It looks like a big cotton ball, doesn't it? We'll see what we can recover next. So it's a good day. Have a good one.
Do you remember we had dignity?